Hi everyone, welcome to our basic programming tutorial. And in this session, we're gonna demonstrate to you how we're gonna use if statement to improve our program. And as you see here, I'm using the program that we did in the tips rotation. So make sure that you have the program for that, and this is we're gonna use that program to start. Don't get confused why this windmill can rotate. So make sure you watch that video, the tips rotation, under variables, basically under the variable section. And without getting too long, let's start. Okay, here we have the variable x cloud and y cloud. Okay, but as you see here, our cloud just moved to the right side, and after that you wouldn't see the cloud anymore. So what we're gonna do is that using the if statement, basic if statement, we're gonna basically make it so that as soon as the cloud disappear from the screen, then it will appear again, reappear again from the left side of the screen, and so on. So okay, here we have the xCloud. We set it with 100, and what really triggered the movement is that this one. Okay, but the problem is that it keeps growing without moving back. And if you want to see what's happening here, let's try to print xCloud. Alright, we do print line, and let's run it. You see there. Yep, then it keeps the xCloud keeps incremented. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna change it so that using if statement, if xCloud is bigger than 500, then we're gonna set xCloud equal 0, and let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, you see that? See, it's very easy, isn't it? Okay. Now that you get that, we're gonna do something more interesting, which is we're gonna put the rain animation just like in what we learned in the tips, using random to create rain animation. So how are we gonna do that? Okay, first we better put a comment, put comments here, moving cloud. Okay, that we don't get confused. After that we put rain animation using with random. Okay, and this is what we're gonna do. We can create two local variables. called X rain and Y rain. Okay, and let's initialize the X rain and Y rain with just like what we did before, which is random. After that, width. The other one, Y rain is integer, random height. Okay. Next, create a line. X rain, Y rain. After that, X rain plus 8, Y rain plus 8. Okay, this should do it, but we didn't see anything. What do you think happened? Well, in our program, if you see inside the void setup, we put no stroke. This no stroke basically make stroke disappear, or I would say make stroke just make stroke disappear. Okay, that's my best explanation for now. So now we want to make it appear. How are we gonna do that? So here we can actually put stroke as 0, black, which is black stroke, and after that we want to stroke way we want to put 5, so you will see it clearer. And let's do it. Let's run. Oops. Okay, now you can see it, right? However, because we put the stroke as 5, the stroke way 5, now you'll see it's a very thick line. How are we gonna delete those lines? Alright, we'll delete those lines using no stroke again, but then you can put it after that, basically. Okay, let's run it. See, I hope you understand that basically the stroke way applied over here, but then as soon as we put no stroke over here, it will be applied all the way down here until this is the important part, until void throw is repeated and meet this one, so until here you can still see that the moving cloud doesn't have stroke, because no stroke actually still applies on it. Alright, from here I hope you understand how useful loop, as well as how it can be useful using no stroke as well as stroke. And I'll see you next time.